Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can create high-quality content on a shoestring budget. While this information is useful for any content creator, this video is most specifically intended for new content creators. We will offer some tips and tricks that you can use to help you create compelling content without draining your bank account. It doesn't matter if you are a budding filmmaker, a passionate vlogger, or just someone looking to share your ideas or hobbies with the world, this is the place to get started. We will cover everything from inexpensive equipment to techniques that you can use to elevate the quality of your videos. We will explain how to maximize your resources by making the most of what you already have. And the best part, you don't need a Hollywood budget to create engaging videos with a professional shine. Everyone, regardless of their financial situation, has an opportunity to compete for a space in the digital landscape, and producing high-quality content can help you stand out. If you're feeling creative and ready to get started making high-quality, professional-looking videos, stay tuned. This video will give you a variety of insights and tips that you can start using today. Let us show you how easy becoming a budget-conscious content creator can be. If you are going to make top-quality videos on a budget, it is important to understand the equipment you are using. Fortunately, you don't need to invest in expensive gear to get started. Many aspiring creators are making impressive-looking videos with nothing more than their smartphones. And at the rate camera technology is evolving, even entry-level DSLRs can be affordable options capable of delivering exceptional results. But great video isn't just about the camera. Lighting plays a crucial role too. Good lighting can be the difference maker between ordinary and extraordinary footage. For making content on a budget, consider softbox lights. Softbox lights are relatively inexpensive and provide soft, even illumination. Of course, the best source of budget-friendly lighting is natural light. Filming during the daylight hours near windows can yield beautiful results. Audio quality is an essential factor that new creators often overlook. Clear sound can make or break your video. For a budget-friendly audio solution, lavalier microphones are a fantastic choice. These mics clip onto your clothing and capture crisp sound that your audience can hear clearly. Focusing on these essential pieces of equipment can help you create professional-looking videos without breaking the bank. Planning and scripting your content is also important and can significantly enhance the quality of your final product. Outlining your video ideas will help you maintain focus and clarity throughout the filming process. This will save you time and help create content that will resonate with your audience. Storytelling is one of the best ways to engage an audience. A well-structured narrative can draw in an audience and make them more likely to stay tuned to the end. Think about the key points you want to convey and how you can weave them into an interesting story. This will make your content more relatable and help create an emotional connection with viewers. Streamline your planning process by using free tools like Google Docs. This platform allows you to easily script videos and organize ideas in a collaborative environment. It also allows you to make outlines, take notes, and even share drafts of your projects with friends or other creators to get their feedback. Investing time in planning and scripting sets the stage for an engaging, polished video that clearly communicates your message. Use effective filming techniques to enhance the quality of your videos. Think about how you frame your shots. Using the rule of thirds is a good way to improve your composition. Dividing your frame into a grid of 9 equal parts and placing your subject along these lines, or where they intersect, can create more balanced, visually appealing shots. Another thing to consider is maintaining steady shots. Shaky footage is distracting and detracts from the quality of a video. You can achieve smooth, stable shots by investing in a tripod or making a DIY stabilizer using items you have around your home. This one simple step can improve the visual appeal of your videos and help to keep your audience engaged. The lighting you use can also make a huge difference in the visuals of your videos. Using natural light is often the best way to go. Try shooting during the golden hour. That's the hour just after sunrise and just before sunset. The soft, warm light during these times can add a beautiful, natural glow to your footage and enhance the overall aesthetics of your shots. Using these simple techniques can easily improve the quality of your videos, make them more enjoyable viewing, and help your work stand out on YouTube. Post-production doesn't require you to spend a fortune on editing software either. In fact, there are several excellent free video editing software options available online. CapCut and Shotcut are free tools with powerful features to help you edit videos like a pro without spending a dime. Once you have your editing software set up, it's time to dive into some basic editing techniques. Cutting is the process of trimming your footage to remove unnecessary parts to keep your content engaging. Simple fades or cuts can make a huge difference in the flow of your video. And don't forget about color correction. Adjusting brightness, contrast, and saturation can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your footage. Take advantage of the many online tutorials to continue improving your editing skills. YouTube offers countless resources for learning everything from basic techniques to advanced editing tricks. Investing time into learning these skills can elevate the production quality of your videos, all while staying within your budget. Your audience will appreciate the time you spend learning and applying the capabilities of your editing software. You can promote your videos without impacting your budget too. Sharing your videos across various social media platforms is one of the best strategies to promote your content for free. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X all provide unique opportunities and access to a wider audience. Posting snippets or teasers of your videos on these platforms can pique interest and drive traffic to your YouTube content. Engaging with your viewers is another way to promote your product and build a loyal following. Taking the time to respond to comments on your videos and engaging with audience posts can foster a sense of community and encourage viewers to return for more content. An audience that feels valued is more likely to share your videos with their own networks. Additionally, do not underestimate the importance of SEO in promoting your videos. Use relevant keywords in your descriptions and titles to improve visibility on YouTube. Researching popular keywords related to your content and writing them smoothly into titles and descriptions can help your videos rank higher in searches. Using these strategies, you can effectively promote your videos without spending any money at all and allow your creativity to shine while organically growing an audience. Let's recap the keys to creating high-quality videos on a budget. We discussed how important it is to understand your equipment, from smartphones to DSLR cameras, and how good lighting and audio can enhance the quality of your content. We looked at how planning and scripting your videos helps maintain focus and clarity, and how using effective filming techniques like the rule of thirds and tripods or stabilizers can enhance your visuals. We examined some free editing software and some basic techniques that can help polish your videos, and how promotion using SEO and social media can expand your reach. The key takeaways to remember are prioritizing quality over quantity, engaging with your audience, and constantly seeking to improve your skills. Every new step you take brings you closer to creating content that matches your vision and pleases your viewers. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to like and share this video with other creators who might benefit from these insights, and let us know what you think in the comments. Check out the related content we've made to help you succeed on your YouTube content journey. We can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching.